Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So now let's consider shifts transformations on linear function or identity function. So we know the linear function f of x was equal to x, and the graph, if you recall, then sketch of this graph was this line. Now if I add some constant to this, g of x equal to, let's say, a new function x plus 2. So what I have done, basically I have added 2 to this function. So what will be the graph of this function? So what will we do? Basically we will just shift this parent function 2 units up. So it's going to be 1 2 here. So by shifting 2 units up, 1 2, this will be here. Shape doesn't change, just it will kind of move upward. On the same lines, if we subtract some value from this, let's say x minus 4, so what will happen? This f of x equal to x will be moving 4 units down, 1 2 3 4. So 4 units down, you can sketch it, 4 units down, 1 2 3 4. So this can be here, it's here, passing from this 4. So that's going to be that doesn't look like line, but you should assume this, it will be line that way, passing through this 4. On the same lines you can apply. So this was vertical 2 unit shift, this was upward, and this is vertical shift 4 units downward. You can consider left and right shifts as well, but that will be same. In the case of linear, you don't need uh, left right when this up and down shift. So these up and down shifts are similar to those left and right in the case of linear functions. So this is fine. You can consider reflection of this. So reflection on linear function. So reflection on linear function means this is the parent function, linear function, and this graph g of x equal to minus x is the reflection of this function. Of course you can say it about x-axis or y-axis, it even doesn't matter. Like previously, the left and right were same as the up and down. So in this case x and y shifts are same. So we know that the graph of f of x equal to x looks like this. Okay, so this is the parent function, but I don't want to plot this, I want to plot this function, which is reflection of this function. Reflections means the image, mirror image of this this graph. Now let's talk about x-axis or y-axis, you can do anywhere. So let's say this is the reflection about y-axis, so let's reflect this about y-axis. So it will be here, because the reflection of this part will be here, and the reflection of this part about y will be here. So this yellow function's graph is the graph of g of x equal to minus x. Okay, now you can talk about reflection and shifts together in the linear. For example, if you are asked to plot this f of x equal to minus x plus 5. Okay, so basically there are two things, one is shift and the other one is the reflection. So if we talk about the parent function, so the parent function is this way, and then we need to consider its reflection, and the reflection is minus x, so this is going to be here, and then we have to move it 5 units up. So this reflected part we have reflected, now we will move it 5 units up, 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be the graph of the function that we have defined. So this is the graph of f of x equal to minus x plus 5. First you need to reflect, and then you need to kind of move it 5 units upward. So you can combine the reflection and the shifts for a linear function together. So you need to learn c units up or down, vertical shift, and you need to learn reflection about any let's say reflection about y. So if you know these two, reflection about y-axis, then you can plot any function of this form, h of x equal to minus x plus anything, 10 minus x minus 5. So you can plot these. So you just reflect and then you move it 10 units up. So you just reflect parent function and 5 units down. Thank you.